Yeah, guys, so welcome to the video. I want to show you how I did the choco packaging design. Yeah, so here we already have like a new layer. It's a 5x5 layer, and this is what we are going to be using. This is the size we are going to be using. So we'll be using this on the mock-up, and this should like fit the mock-up well. Yeah, so I think something like this would be great. So I built some sketches, and you can see the sketch here. Before I start any packaging design, I always build sketch. It's like the first thing I do. Then this color tone we're going to be using, like this particular color, this is what we want to be using because it looks soft and choco looking. So I downloaded some choco popsicles, and let's use this one for now. Yeah, so we're going to edit this, take off this background and other stuffs. Basically that's what we're going to be doing. So we'll be using this so rasterize the layer, remove the background. Yep. And let's do a bit of editing on the products. Exposure. I think we should work on exposure a bit. No clarity. Vibrant. Yeah, vibrant. It looks better now. Before, after. It looks better now. Okay. I think I like it now. Could resize it a bit. Nice. Okay, the patterns. Yeah, so I got these patterns. I sketched it out first actually, but I got some ideas online. So I think I like the patterns now. What do you think? To be like in the background, and I reduced the opacity a bit. Yeah, I think it's nice. We'll just resize it. It looks nice now. It looks nice. Oh, I forgot to remove this thing. Shit. We'll use the clone tool to like take that rubbish off. You can spend the money, hallelujah, spend the money, spend the money. The way I'm arranging things here, at first I didn't even know what I was doing, but though I've done it before, I just want to show you guys. So I just wanted to arrange different popsicles around like everywhere. That was like the aim. Yeah, it's nice now. You can see the arrangement. So yeah, this is it. So I have to put that logo in the middle. I was thinking of chopping, part of the logo. I don't know if it will make sense, but trying to find the middle like this. Then maybe, I don't know, should I even increase the size? I don't know. I'll just chop off part of, yeah. What do you guys think of this? Does it make sense? Or is it a stupid idea? Tell me what you think in the comment box. Tosin, don't go and overdo yourself. Oh. What are you doing? It looks nah. I'll stick it. Just stick with this. Nah. Okay. Umbano. You can see like I used some brush on the edges to make it like look thick because the light source is coming from the left. You get so now there's a shadow. I added the shadow to like give it depth. You can see I added the shadow to give it like depth. Yeah, I think it looks nice now. It looks really nice. By the time we put this on a mock-up, you should like it. Let me increase the exposure. Yeah, it's looking yummy now. Perfect. 0.7. I'll save this now and put it on a mock-up. Boom. Yeah, here we have it. What do you think? Does it look nice? I think it looks nice now. I got this mock-up from one on Blast. Yeah, I added this rubbish detail up. I think six popsicle in a pack, so that it will look like an actual, I think it's nice now. Yeah, I tried to reduce the exposure too, so that it's not be too much on the mock-up. I reduced the exposure a bit, but I think it looks nice. I just other mock-ups too, not just this one. No. I did another one. Yeah, I put some patterns by the side, the top. You see the logo there, so that when it's lying down, you'll be able to see it. Yeah. So I put like it's looking yummy now. Imagine this on the shelf, or imagine like Nestle KitKat like buy this idea. Wow, to be like amazing. So tell me what you think. Oh, is it nice? Does it look nice? If you like it, stop. If you like my video, please make sure you like, subscribe, you share, comment. Make sure you shall like. Follow me on Instagram at tosin_ng. Tosin_ng. I will reply all my comments and all of that. Yeah, boom, and here we have the presentation. So I did a lot of, I played around with mock-ups and I did other variations to different popsicles like downloaded. Yeah, I used like skateboard mock-up, tote bag. I just played around, did some stuff and I think that's all. Until next time, bye.